Front splits stretch, assisted. The assisted front split stretch is a mobility exercise used to progress the front splits. By using assistance, we can support our body weight in a deeper front splits position and start to increase the range of motion. To perform this exercise, you will need two elevated surfaces to place the hands on. Start in a kneeling position with the elevated surfaces beside the torso. Walk the front foot forward as much as possible. Lock the knee and point the toe. Next, slowly start to walk the back foot further back, resting the back knee on the floor as you shuffle the foot back. Aim to keep the feet hip-width apart. Once you establish the maximum range you can walk the feet apart, push down on the elevated surfaces with the elbows locked and the shoulders depressed. Aim to have the torso as upright as possible. Limit the forward lean. Next, lift the rear knee off the floor by pushing the heel of the rear foot away from the butt. Try to extend the back knee as much as possible and feel a stretch in the anterior hip of the rear leg and the hamstring of the front leg. Aim to keep the hips and shoulders square. Once in the assisted front split position, you can play with the amount of assistance the arms are offering. The more you relax the downward pressure in the arms, the greater the stretch will be. Trying to extend the back knee is also a great way to increase the intensity of the stretch. Hold the assisted front splits for the prescribed amount of time and then repeat on the opposite side.